Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Candy Girl, 2 Y's, 3 L's. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these mini twists on my hair. If you want to learn more about the products that I use to do these twists, I'm going to link that video right up here at the top so that you can see the Uniquirl products. I did a whole wash day before. Well, of course, I washed my hair before I did put these twists in my hair. So if you want to see that process and see how well I like the products or how well I did not like the products, you can definitely just hit that little square that you see right up here so that you guys can, you know, watch that video. The products I used were called Uniquirl, but that's not what this video is about. This video is simply about how I did these awesome mini twists in my hair. Now, it is cold in Atlanta, like super cold. Like it feels like Alaska here. Like I've never been to Alaska, but I feel like we almost at that temperature in Atlanta. And because it's so cold here, I wanted to put some mini twists in my hair, along with the simple fact that I've been late for work, like pretty much all year since 2019 that started. So I needed to be able to like wake up, you know, get ready and not have to worry about my hair, because that's really what okay, let me be honest with myself. That was not why I was late. But I just want to be able to get up and go. Okay, so that's why I put these mini twists in my hair. It took me about an hour to do these twists. I call them mini twists just simply because they're smaller than what I usually would do my twists if I'm doing like a twist out. If I'm keeping my twist in my hair for a while, it's usually going to be about this size. I guess this would maybe be what, I don't know, maybe like 2 inches. I don't know, like how would you say the size of your twist? Like they small, okay? That's what I'm saying, they're small. So I really like this style because like I said, it lasts a long time and I don't have to worry about doing my hair. And I wanted to show you guys the process of how I part my hair, because I know a lot of people always ask me like, how do you part your hair when you are doing your mini twist? And it's really simple. So I wanted to, you know, do this video to show you guys the process. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and let me know, you know, how often do you do your mini twist? How long do you keep your mini twist in your hair? And if you like this style, I mean, if you think this is like totally ugly on me, let me know. Like, not that it's gonna change anything, I'm still gonna wear them. But I mean, you know, just be honest, let me know what you think. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right into the video. As you guys can see, I've already done the back of my hair, but unfortunately my camera died while I was doing this video, so I wasn't able to show you. But the key to doing the back of your hair is to make sure that you are parting your hair from left to right and not down the middle, because if you part your hair down the middle to do these twists, you're going to have that horrible middle part right down the middle of your head and it looks super ugly. So yeah, I don't part my hair down the middle whenever I'm doing twists. I always part my hair from left to right. Whenever you're doing your twist, you want to make sure that your hair is super detangled, and you're using some great products that has amazing slip. The products that I use for these twists, I actually only use one, which was really good. I usually have to use 2 products, but I only use 1 product for this particular style, and it was the Uniquirl Leave-In Detangler Styler. It was really good. It gave me great slip. My hair was super moisturized, and I didn't have to use any other products besides that one. So yeah, kudos to Uniquirl. Once I get to the end of my hair, you're going to see I'm going to stand up a little bit, but I am going to twist my curls at the end of the twist just to kind of like seal the twist in and to seal in that moisture. And also this is going to keep my twist from unraveling. Everyone is usually so surprised that my twist can actually stay without having to put like a rubber band or anything on them, but I simply twist the ends and it kind of locks in the twist so that they won't come loose. And you can see that black girl magic right there too, girl, because did y'all see that shrinkage? Like my hair was super long just now, but then it just shriveled up. It's crazy. So now I'm going to show you guys how I actually do my twist. I twist my hair by separating the piece I'm using into 2 parts, and then I twist the piece that is away from my face on top of the other piece of hair, and then I kind of tuck it under it, and I kind of repeat this process all the way to the end of my hair. And then, like I told you guys before, I twirl the ends around my finger to make sure that the twist doesn't come undone. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of how I do my mini twist on my hair. It's really simple. It usually takes me about an hour to an hour and a half to do this style, but I love it because it lasts, you know, up to 3 weeks, and I don't have to worry about doing my hair. Like, that's just, it's a game changer. Like, I love these mini twists, and you can do so many styles with these mini twists. Like, I can wear my hair up, I can wear it down, so many different ways to wear twists. I actually have a video on my channel of me doing different styles with my mini twists on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys, you know, listen to the music and watch me finish doing the rest of my hair.
When I be with you, I'm steady hearing noise, yeah, I'm paranoid. Got a nigga just sitting on another planet in a t-shirt with my jack on his tiptoe. Feeling like I got the glove on my hand. Start thinking I'm the shit when I'm this high. Like when you at the tip top of my pyramid, or when I'm just on my vibe. I'm gonna tell somebody, but I ain't gonna tell nobody. Ain't no one know about me, you, we gotta keep it secrets, baby. Fuck that, I'ma go tell him your name. Gonna just clap for Miss Mary Jane. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Go, get high, get high, get high. Ooh, tell me you wanna come with your boy. Don't act like you don't be in your feelings, loving the boy. But I know that I'm fortunate to have you, girl. I'm so glad you're in my world. Just a fly in the sky with you. I'm blessed to say that I got you, lady. 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 I think it's your sweetness, when I lick it and touch it. Or when I get the lighter and burn you up like an oven. Call it that swish of loving. When you roll it, it's nothing. Blowing love in the air, reaching heights like no other. And all I really want is you, babe. Girl, you know you are my babe. I just wanna go to places I can hold you. And I can relax my mind, sitting on a cloud, doing things we do. That's why I say, can't no other do the crazy shit you do to me. Got me on another level, ooh, I like it, girl. We can get higher and higher, the fire and desire. Be giving me something to take home. You know that I'm fortunate to have you, girl. I'm so glad you're in my world. Just a fly in the sky with you. I'm blessed to say that I got you, lady. It's what you mean to me. I call it L-O-V-E. Long as you take me far, we'll never fall apart. Finally found the one. Found the one. Don't leave me, baby, come back. Don't leave me, baby, come back. You're a blessing, girl, I'm fortunate, and that's that. Like 1994, keep coming back for more. And that's real, girl, don't lie, I heard you been on to me. Baby, and I promise that you'll experience what you never seen. Not the love that's on TV, and you know, I know that I can see the way you feel. Committing to this, you know I will. Cause it's all for you, it's all for you. I'm fortunate to have you, baby.